Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our midweek analysis for gold. Today is 13th of August 2024 and market will open is open now at it's 23 9 past 11 p.m. UK time. So starting with Forex Factory, you can see that we got important news coming, heavy impact tomorrow. Uh, and These news are core PPI, CPIMM, and CPI-YY, CPIMM and CPI-YY. So these are the news coming tomorrow. Looking at the chart, see what's happening. But yesterday, trading day, market didn't move much. It was a range between 24.58 to 24.78. However, one thing you have noticed that kind of looking as an evening star. So let's see how the market will react to this. And now on the breaking of this candle, this level and top level, these red lines, we can possibly see the move to the either direction. Let's go on the 4-hour chart and see what's happening there. In 4 hours, see this is kind of a double top here, and this is bearish candle. So currently, the market is coming down. Market just opened about 10 minutes ago. Depending on which broker you work, but normally it's most, as I think most brokers are open now. Anyway, so as you can see, the movement is in 1 hour as well, and technically it should come to this level before it makes moves either to break this or to the upside. This is half an hour chart. This level has been already broken. So according to this, market should come down from here to this level. And stop loss should be here if you want to take a risk, but bear in mind that market just opened. So okay, so this is a 15-minute chart. All right, and let me go back on the weekly, see what we have there. So this is a weekly scenario, and we already discussed this previously. This market has closed above here, and this candle is closed above this level as well. So it's very bullish in weekly as well. So what I'm expecting on the news that we may test this daily level here. 1 second, let me remove all this, and yeah, we may test this level and then shoot to the upside. That's a high possibility, and then we'll see how the market reacts. Because also you can see the 1, 2, nearly 3 time market have tried to break this level and it couldn't. So now at this time it's highly possible that because we considering on all the probabilities weekly being bearish, weekly being bullish as well, and you can see that this and fundamentally gold is in buy as well. So let's see how it behaves to the current scenario which we have explained. So I hope this is helpful, and I leave this to you guys. But just to want to mark some structure levels before you go. The 4-hour structure level has been broken here, as you can see, and then this level was broken and retested. And now, because it's the kind of double top here, so it's possible that market is shoot up. Either break this, come up to this level, or just from here it can shoot to the upside. But as I said in daily, what is in daily? Let me mark here. This is the, and also previous daily is this. Now we go to 4 hour. So if this level is broken, yeah, if this level is broken, then we definitely can expect around this area, which is a previous daily level as well. And from there, if we get a test of this level, then we can, and on the news probably, we can see breaking of this level. So I hope this is useful, guys, and hope you have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.